how to set Read Caller Names Aloud over Bluetooth and headphones only or always on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's go back to the home screen, then launch the phone app. Next, tap on the More button and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Answering and Ending Calls. From here, tap on Read Caller Names Aloud. Tap on the left-hand side panel. Then from here you can choose over Bluetooth and headphones only or always. Select your favorite option and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Here, if I choose always, you can see that. When I have an incoming call,
It jungles incoming call.
it will read the name aloud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.